Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see about PDCA cycle in software testing. So PDCA, what is PDCA? PDCA is an acronym for Plan, Do, Check, Act. It is a cycle which is an iterative four-step management method used in business to focus on continuous improvement of processes, products or services and to resolve problem. PDCA cycle is used to solve the problems and improve the processes. This concept of PDCA cycle was developed by Dr. William Edward Demings in the 1950s as a learning or improvement process. So Dr. William Edward Demings, also called as Total Quality Management Guru. So Denim created this concept based on an idea from his mentor American physicist Dr. Walter A. Shewhart, and he himself called it as Shewhart cycle. So this PDCA cycle have different names like PDSA cycle, which means plan, do, study, act. It is also called as PDCA cycle, which is plan, do, check, adjust. And then Demin cycle or Demin circle or Demin wheel. It is also called as Shewhart cycle. So these are the different names given for this PDCA cycle. Next we will see when to use PDCA cycle. It is used when we need to solve the problems or improve the process. When we solve the problem, if something is not functioning properly, we use PDCA as an analysis tool to uncover the hidden problems and find the solutions. And when we improve the process, means if something which is functioning not giving results at its best, we use PDCA as an analysis tool to find potential improvements to existing function, which means to improve the process we also use PDCA cycle. It can be used in all type of organization and works well to implement total quality management or Six Sigma initiatives. There are some of the cases where we use PDCA cycle. Below are the some of those cases. When a new improvement project starts, when implementing any changes, and when defining a repetitive process, then we use PDCA cycle. Next is, this is a pictorial representation of PDCA cycle. First is plan, then do, then check, and then act. In plan, we set the target, we create metrics, we identify improvements. Means all the planning is done in plan phase. And then next is do. So here we implement the improvements or implement the process. And then third one is check. Here we check the measurements. And the fourth one is learn from results. Act means taking action on the results. Next we will see in details what is PDCA cycle. So from P, it's plan, means planning and designing is done in plan phase. Here we establish the objectives and processes necessary to deliver results in accordance with the possible effects. So all the planning and designing is done at plan phase. Then do. At do phase we do coding and production, means implementation is done there. Here we implement the new processes. Then check. At check phase, we do the testing and evaluation. Here we measure the new processes and compare the results against the expected results and to certain any differences. The last phase is act, means we took here necessary actions. Here analyze the differences to determine their causes. Each will be part of either one or more of the PDCA steps. So this is all nothing but PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check and act. So this is all about PDCA cycle in this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.